Guys, good morning guys. Okay, good morning. Fun run time. Fun run na guys. Isusa sa Kalawasan guys. Good morning. Fun run guys. This is 3 de Mayo. Okay. Exercise Kalawasan guys, sayo sa buntag. May 1, Labor Day, Fun Run, 3 de Mayo.
Baklay raman lagi ka.
Baklay ta guys, baklay, exercise na ta guys. Baklay, baklay. Good morning. Nata sa 3 de Mayo ron guys. Fun run, walking, walking.